Janela wants to go for another dragon screw, I think.
A knee injury like this, a substantial knee injury, when you're this young and at a point where it is make or break in your career, this is worst case scenario.
Oh, Alexander! Beautiful drop kick. Oh, Michinoku driver. No.
Titus could have hooked the leg, that would have been it. But it took everything in him just to land the Michinoku driver. But he couldn't put any body weight over Janela's shoulders.
Fans, don't forget, January the 20th, Defy Most Dangerous in Tacoma. February 11th, Defy Year 6, right here inside Washington Hall. Tickets available at defywrestling.com. Well, Janela's got a cheering section here, but I think you get the majority of the fans here that want to see Titus Alexander they want to see him reach that next level.
It's an 80-20 scenario.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, boy.